In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's coming under some selling pressure today. Australian dollar trading higher the previous three sessions, and yesterday we did see the Australian dollar move up close to the recent highs as a big move higher yesterday, but today we're giving back about a half or a little over half of yesterday's move in the price action, and the Australian dollar down a little over 0.5% currently at the 0.663 level, which is just off the intraday lows. And looking at some of the driving factors, really it appears that it's the interpretation of the Fed message. Yesterday we did get the Fed announcement and the press conference, and Chairman Powell in the press conference appeared pretty hawkish as far as pushing back against some of the recent expectations due to some of the recent data as far as inflation. And he indicated they're going to be much more pragmatic in evaluating that data, and that they're, at this point, they do not anticipate cutting rates anytime soon. And I think that that's why you're seeing the price action shift here today as the markets are interpreting the Fed message and other Fed officials, and also central bank activity. So most of the major FX markets are under some pressure today after having pretty strong days yesterday. So looking at the general trends, the Australian dollar now is pushing down here, giving up about half of yesterday's gains. So we're still off the low end of the range here, but nonetheless giving back some of the recent gains. But when you look at other FX markets, we're looking at a different scenario, particularly the euro. Euro had a big move yesterday, but now with today's price action giving up all of yesterday's gains and then some. So the euro is now trading down to a little over 2-month lows in today's price action, and we're seeing selling pressure pretty much across the board today in all the majors as the dollar is regaining some footing. And again, I think it's primarily due to the interpretation of the Fed message and the expectations moving forward.